Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a minimalist texture art. To make this art you need 5 main things. First is a texture paste. You can either buy a ready-made one or you can make your own texture paste. Second, you need a canvas board or an MDF board. Third, you need few texture art tools for mixing. Fourth, you need a bowl to mix all the texture paste. Fifth, you need acrylic paints of whatever color you like. Make sure to use acrylic paints as they are waterproof when dried. So the links for all the items that I have used in this video, I am gonna give them in the description box. Now let's get into the video. Here I'm mixing my own texture paste using wall putty. Here I took 2 MDF boards and joined them together. Now I'm adding masking tape on the other side to all the borders. Now I'm adding my texture paste to both the MDF boards and spreading it evenly all over. By using a Sawtooth Scrapper, I am drawing straight lines here. Now by using a clean scraper, I'll make a wave-like pattern on the guideline that I have drawn. I'm cleaning the excess texture paste using a wet brush so that it gives an even texture at the ends without being clumpy. This process took me about 30 to 40 minutes to gradually clean those edges. And that's it. Here you get your simple and minimalist texture art pattern. You have to let this texture art dry for at least 1 day, and after that by using a sandpaper you have to slightly sand the edges and extra bumps so that it gives you a cleaner look. Now it's painting time. I separated the 2 boards and I'm adding masking tape on the borders and in the center wave part. I've chose black color for the lines and yellow color for the center wave. So here is a bit of ASMR for you guys. So I had to stop the ASMR till there because there were few background sounds from this part. Now I'll do a layer of gesso in the area where I'll be painting yellow color. Because this is a plain MDF board and not primed, I have to use gesso before painting. After the gesso layer dried, I am painting a light yellow color and I'll be adding 2 coats of this too. And here is the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.